Hello and welcome back to Gigi's product review, and today I will be reviewing the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges alongside Creme of Nature 100% Argan Oil. And these two products combined are a wonderful pair, I must say. The Perfect Edges has slayed my edges. And the consistency of the Perfect Edges is not too thick and it's not jelly-like, but it's a smooth, thick consistency which really glides on perfectly. I am in love with the fragrance of it. It smells really nice, just as well as the 100% Argan Oil smells. The Argan Oil hair, it is not thick, but it's a really nice smooth consistency, as I thought it would be. It's not a thick heavy oil. I usually use it to seal my edges, and I'm in love with the smell. It just smells really clean and nutty and fruity at the same time. I don't know how to explain that, but there's my explanation. And it's very pleasant smelling. As you can see, the bottle is like nearly done. Take a look at the little pump. That's something I could really appreciate. I'm really happy with these products. Try them out. Tell me how you feel about them. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.